Hello student, welcome to our today's section. In previous section we see the network model, and today's section we are see relational model. Relational model. A network and hierarchical model are where complex and inflexible. You can compare the hierarchical and network model. In the network model, flexibility is maximum relationships are created in one level. But again, complexities are created because in same level, all nodes are grouping. Then this diagram also complex. That's why it is difficult to expand and modify the database model. So to overcome the problem. These models are different to hierarchical model and network model. In this model, you can easily represent the data. Next point is the relational model represent the data in form of two-dimension table. In the database environment, these tables get the relationship name. You can represent the data in the table from that time. It is very easy to organize the data and identify the type and create the relationship or understand this level. A relationship models are the easy to perform and represent the data. You can see in this two-dimensional diagram. You can see this diagram data are represented in the table form. These lines are represent their relationship. In these all types of diagrams are create these diagrams called a relationship model. Each label represents some real world person, place, things, event about which information collect and stored in database. All our things are stored in a database. This is called a entity. All entities are represent the table. You can store any information just about any person, any place. This information is referred a entity and create a table. Logical view. What is meant by logical view? In an organization of data into relational table is known as logical view of database. You can represent the data in a table. These views are called a logical view of database. You can see in this diagram in our slide. Next view is internal view. The way the database software physically stored the data on a computer disk system called a internal view. You can store this data physically on disks. These views are called a internal view. A relational model was created that time. These logics and internal views are processed because it is easy to organize the data, see the placement and create a relationships. This is the relationship model. So these all three models are explained. First is hierarchical, second is a network, and third is relational model. These all three models are I was explained. So today's sections are complete.